Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugene. Welcome to Random World. Today we are looking at a Halloween advent calendar. We are building these each day. We are building one. We are going to open one door each day. We are making our headway. We're half the month is gone, right? I wanted to do this one the way I used to do advent calendars for Christmas time. For December. I'm not doing it this way. We will look at advent calendars, but we will open every single one in the same video, which will be a little bit different. I know some of you wanted it that way. Some of you might not. So we're gonna kind of play our ear. Do you like this way better, or do you like when you're in December, whether you're gonna like that way better? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Please throw some comments below. We are on 17. Whether or not you like this, or when we hit the next one, we'll see. So this is 17. Very black. Looks like it's this piece right here or something like that. Some type of holster for skeletons. We're gonna build this and then we'll talk about it later. All right, today's build is right here. This is what we built, and then yeah, and then that's if you want to build it yourself. Here it is, right here. We're gonna put that here. We're gonna look at it right now. This is supposed to be some type of little prison. I like the concept of the bones as being locking something in place. It's just so tiny. Right? So if this was on a bigger scale, if we had bigger bones like this, I would have loved this one. I just think that because wheels don't move, they're not wheels. They can move like this, really. They're like gears. You can move them like that a little bit. I do not like this one because it's so small. I think that it really, on the scale of what it is a cool concept. Like if you built this this is like a micro version of what I would want, because I think this would be a cool concept of if you had this as holding prisoners and stuff. I think that'd be really cool. Like you have tons of bars, tons of these skeleton arms bigger, and then you have bigger space. I like that idea. So it's a cool concept of like what you can do. I just don't like this one. Like I would actually celebrate, like you would space this one out and this one would connect to another one and then another one. I think that would be kind of cool. But for playability wise, the children really are not gonna, they're not gonna play with this one. For displayability wise, you're gonna look at it and going, okay, this has got to go in your micro area because this no Lego is gonna fit in it. Not even a treasure, because it's one space inside, as you can see right there. It's just one space. The little bit of orange on the black is kind of cool. I do like that. And I like the bone on top. I don't like today's. I'm gonna thumbs down it. It wasn't terribly hard to build, but it was confusing in some spots for like where to put. You have to be very careful when you're doing these type of sets, when you're trying to build them, because if you miss one particular thing, like when the stop motion, I missed spacing on one of these things, and then it actually was smaller, and then I realized, oh, you have to add one more piece in, and I did that at the end of the stop motion to make it really fluid. But you have to really pay attention to the instructions, and on off brands, sometimes the instructions are kind of hard to get and look at. What's your thoughts? Do you have this one? Are you doing this advent calendar too? Throw some comments down below. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.